先に事前になってた。
Hey, so we're back and today we're going to another volcano. This time we are in the Kagoshima Prefecture and we're going to Sakurajima today. We're currently on a ferry and it takes about 15 minutes and we've been recommended to eat the udon on the ferry. But first we have to find the udon. I found it. Come on. Oh wow. Yeah, so we've got normal fish cake, normal egg, normal vegetable tempura and leek. Maybe that one. Really? Oh, yeah. Skinny udon. Whoa, quick, get that egg in there. Skinny means tsukimi means moon viewing. Oh, yeah. So we're viewing the egg moon right now. Yeah, it's meant to look like an egg in the sky. All right, let's go. Have a mix and tell me what it tastes like. Go on. Boom. Oh, yum. Oh my god. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Oh, look at the yolk. Oh. It's good slurp. It's so yummy. That udon was super yummy. The egg was like just really like made the soup very delicious. We smashed it. I'm watching Aurora hold a GoPro over the boat, making me feel so sick. It's fine. It's water food. No. Just left the ferry terminal and the lady at the information there gave us some fantastic information about what we should do while we're on Sakurajima today. Seeing as it's out of Mandarin season, it means that we cannot get any mikans, but we're going to go to the visitor center first and try, hopefully, some mikan ice cream. Then we are going to go to an onsen, and she was actually really great. She told us which onsens are open today and which onsens are tattoo friendly. So we're going to head around the island about 19 kilometers away by bus to an onsen called Furusato Onsen, and apparently there is an outdoor onsen that overlooks the bay. How is it? Delicious. The two things we learned at the visitor center was that this sherbet tastes like a juice cup that you used to get in school, and yesterday the volcano actually had like a mini eruption inside it. And it's pretty smoky right now. Lots of stuff coming out the top, but it's chill. Everyone's chill. It's fine. So we just jumped on one of the local buses and we're heading over to a hotel in the Furusata onsen area, and we're going to onsen there. Hello. Going in the onsen. So after a short bus ride, we've made it to the Furusato Seaside Hotel, and we're going to go and have an onsen, and we've got it all to ourselves as well.
From a dream, it's all just feels so real. All the pictures that are falling in my head, like a bed from bench to bench, nothing like together. I am glad that we enjoy our time spent.
So dizzy. Stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Daisy, where are we going? There's a secret onsen. Where is it? That's next, it's next. Oh yeah. We would have liked to have filmed, but there were other people down there and it was pretty, I don't know, there's a lot going on. So we just had a little sit in the bath and now we're gonna jump back on the bus and head back to the ferry. There's lots of these little yellow bags everywhere and they're basically for the volcanic ash. So anytime they do have like a mini eruption or there's like an ash cloud and ash falls, they sweep it up, put it into this bag, and then they take it to certain centres on the island for it to be disposed of. I'll film more